Why do other people's rainbow filament prints look so good? And why do yours look random? In this video, I'll show you how to actually control rainbow colors in 3D printing. 1. Understand how rainbow filament works. Rainbow filament changes color every 8 meters. That means, for every 8 meters of filament used, the color shifts once. This color change distance is the foundation of everything else. 2. Use your slicer to predict the colors. After slicing your model, your slicer shows the total filament length. Take that number and divide it by 8 meters. That tells you how many color transitions your print will have. Once you know that, you can choose the starting color and predict the final look of your model. 3. Control the color changes. Now that you know the rule, here are 3 practical ways to control the rainbow effect. Method 1. Print multiple copies. If your model is small and the color change barely shows, print multiple copies on the same build plate. More filament used means more color transitions. Method 2. Use modifiers to control local color shifts. Add a modifier in your slicer. Resize and place it where you want the color to change. Increase or decrease the infill density. Higher infill equals faster color changes. Lower infill equals slower color changes. Method 3. Rotate the model. Rainbow filament changes color from bottom to top. By rotating your model on the y-axis, you can completely change how the colors flow. Try these tips and take control of your rainbow prints.